You got it, babe. You haven't been doing this long. I remember how you used to drive your old one.
Hey guys, I want to thank you for watching, and I want to say thank you to Jason for trusting me to definitely wreck his RC car. It was really fun, and I'm glad me and my wife decided to stop out there. He opened that place a while back, and we've been wanting to stop in because I always liked going to his tracks and everything. They're really fun to go to. All the people are really nice, and I know a lot of you that follow me are into the RC stuff. That's why you like the RC videos that I post. And definitely check them out if you're local to me and want to make a few hour drive or a few minute drive, whatever it may be for you. It's Inside Line Raceway in Louisville, Ohio. You can find him on Facebook. And if you go there, tell him Redneck Garage sent you. And he'll know who you're talking about. So Jason's a really nice guy. He runs a really good show there. So definitely check him out. And I want to thank you guys for watching. It was a really fun time tonight. And I told him to order me an RC car and everything that I need so we could stop out there a few Saturdays a month and throw down some track time because I miss it. I really do. I miss it. So maybe more videos to come on that from the Redneck Garage channel. And might have to get a custom Redneck Garage body with the Main Street Cycle sponsored logo all over that son gun. So, okay guys, I'm tired. It's late at night. That's why my eyes is all watery. We'll see you in the next one.